Greetings! It's Maxo Diddly. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can view your Google Chrome console on an iOS device like an iPad or iPhone. Let's get right into it. So the first step is you want to open up Google Chrome. Then in the URL bar, I want you to type chrome://inspect. Then I want you to press the enter key. And this is going to take you to the JavaScript console. And once you click on Start Login, you're going to see a debug log console that's going to contain all of the JavaScript console logs and errors from all tabs. And this is exactly what you might want if you're debugging a website or a web game. Now we're going to make a new tab, then type in the URL or IP address for a web game or a website that has JavaScript logs for you to look at. So I'm going to type in the IP address to connect to a web game I'm hosting locally. So I'm going to open up the game, and I'm going to check my JavaScript console tab, and as you can see, all of the debug logs for the Unity game are occurring. Let's go back to the game, let's go back to the console, and as you can see there are more logs. And that's how you quickly look at the Google Chrome console on iOS devices like an iPad or iPhone. Thanks for being a great audience. Be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.